Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention. In this short video, you're going to learn how to become a top earner in any network marketing opportunity using the internet without recruiting friends and family or strangers or taking people to hotel events or doing home meetings. This is the approach I followed to go from ground zero to creating a six-figure income, hitting $30,000 months, taking my business beyond that. I'm going to start the training in a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my online sponsoring video bootcamp. You'll get daily trainings from me in your inbox, videos, how to generate leads, how to recruit online, mindset, marketing strategies, so you know where to go, what to do, how to do it to become a successful network marketer using the internet. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the attraction marketing formula when you're on that page. Best training guide, hands down, for network marketers, how to grow a very successful business online. Powerful stuff. Make sure to get this guide. This is what I follow to hit $30,000 per month. Step one, build a list. And by list, I mean a list of leads. You got to be generating leads. Leads that you generate will convert into sales and signups much more effectively than leads that you buy. Leads are the lifeblood of your business. Your list of leads is an asset. If you decide to change network marketing companies for any reason, you can't take your downline with you. That's forbidden. However, your company is going to forbid that. However, you can market to your list your new opportunity and create a downline just like that. Powerful stuff. You always have to have leads coming in. Step two, warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You can't just generate leads and pitch to them. That's not going to work. Cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. The way to do this, send short business tips to your audience in the form of short blog posts or short videos or live streams where you teach a little something, a marketing tip, a business tip to help them grow their business. Keep it simple. Just summarize a little bit that you've learned from a training or a course that you've gone through or a webinar you've been on or something you heard in an event. Just be the messenger. Best part is you don't need to be a guru or an expert to do this. Think of any teacher you've had in school, elementary school, high school, college, doesn't matter. They didn't write the textbook. They just summarize what's in the textbooks, right? That's all you need to do. When you've done this, you move on to step three, sell to your list. This becomes very natural. You recruit them into your opportunity. You sell them an affiliate offer, whatever it is you want to sell them. This is a very natural process, very easy and straightforward to do when you get trained. This is what I have done to sponsor 221 people personally into one opportunity, become a top producer. Got a lot more training for you. Click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my online sponsoring video bootcamp. You'll get trainings from me in your inbox, how to generate leads using the internet, how to recruit online, how to do this the right way, like a professional. Right on that page, after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. As I mentioned, best training guide in the industry for network marketers, how to grow your business online, much more detail than I could get to in a video. This is my #1 recommendation. This is the best training guide I've ever seen in the last 10 years I've been in this industry to grow a successful network marketing business using the internet. Because it's proven. The author, Fernie Ceballos, 8-figure income earner, one of my mentors, he's an MIT graduate. The guy's basically a marketing genius. I've seen more success stories come out of people following the approach in this guide than anything I've seen in 10 years. This is the approach that I followed to create $30,000 months. Get this guide. Get Attraction Marketing Formula. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.